Hello friends, welcome to Innovative Shiksha. So today I bring to you the next video in the important MCQ series. So today's MCQs are based on the class 11 physics chapter number 2, that is your units and measurement. So these MCQs are based on the chapter number 2, that is your units and measurement. So please try to solve this question first and then check with the correct answer. If you want to gain the maximum benefits out of these MCQs, please try to learn your second chapter and then try to solve. You can take proper notes also for future references. So let us begin with the today's MCQs. Your first question is, what is the SI unit of luminous intensity? So you have to tell what is the SI unit of luminous intensity. Your options are option number A mole, option B is ampere, option C is candela, and option D is radian. You have four options. Out of these four options, one option is correct, so you have to choose the correct one. So we have to tell what is the SI unit of luminous intensity. So if you have read this, you know that SI unit of luminous intensity is candela. Therefore, for question 1, answer C will be correct answer. So option C is the correct answer for question number 1, that is luminous intensity. The SI unit of luminous intensity is candela. So let us start with the second question. So second question says, which of the following is the SI unit of amount of substance? So in this question, what is required? You have to tell what is the SI unit of amount of substance. Your options are, the first option is steradian, option B is mole, option C Kelvin, and option D is kilogram. So you have four options. So out of these four options, one is correct. So please try to solve this question by yourself and then check with the correct answer. So the correct answer for question number 2 is mole. Therefore, answer will be option number B. So let us come to the last question. So the last question says, what is the SI unit of the electric current? So आपको electric current, what is the SI unit of electric current? So you have to choose out of these four options. So you have four options. First option is ampere, next is meter per second, and the next is radian, and the last option is joule. So out of these four options, you have to choose the correct one. So the correct answer for the electric current is ampere. So SI unit of electric current is ampere. So option number A is the correct answer for question number 3. So let us start to visualize the important base units. So as you know, if you have studied this particular chapter, you know that units can be classified into two types. The first is called as SI base units or fundamental units, and the next is called derived units. So today I will explain in brief what are the different types of SI base units or fundamental units. So as you know, there are several physical quantities which are called as base or SI units or fundamental or base units. So let us start with the first one and then we will proceed further. So the length, you have length of physical quantity, and the SI unit is meter, which is represented by small m. And the next physical quantity, which is mass, and the SI unit is kilogram, and it is represented by kg. And the next physical quantity, time, you have second, and it is represented by small s. And the next physical quantity, electric current, the SI unit is ampere, and it is represented by capital A. And the next physical quantity, that is thermodynamic temperature. Thermodynamic temperature. The SI unit for thermodynamic temperature is Kelvin, and it is represented by capital K. So here some student says that thermodynamic temperature, the SI unit is degree Celsius, but you should remember that thermodynamic temperature, the SI unit is Kelvin and not the degree Celsius. And the next physical quantity, which is your amount of substance, the SI unit for amount of substance is mole, and it is represented by MOL. And the last base quantity, which is your luminous intensity. And the SI unit for this luminous intensity is candela, which is represented by CD. Thank you very much.